I've come to Pasta Fresca Siena to find out about the local delicacies they have to offer.
Buongiorno!
Buongiorno!
Come va?
Bene!
Tutto bene?
Lei?
E là che stai facendo?
Questi sono i nostri pici toscani.
Pici?
Sì, certo.
Lucia said, this is a specialty from Siena. I would like to find out what sauce goes with this pici.
Cacio e pepe.
She said cacio e pepe, which is pecorino cheese and black pepper.
Sì.
That's it.
Basta. Se rimane l'anima dentro, praticamente il cuore.
She's telling me, be very careful when you cook the pici pasta, because if you undercook them, they're going to be very hard. If you overcook them, it's going to be a mess. Grazie, Lucia.
Ciao, grazie.
And I can't believe she's telling me how to cook pasta.
Feeling inspired, I head back to my villa to get cooking.
Now that we have Lucia's pasta, the famous pici from Siena, I think it's only fair that I'm going to make cacio e pepe. You need the pasta, you need the cheese, and you need black pepper. First thing that we need to do, we need to boil the pasta, we need to cook it. As I always say, when you cook pasta, you need to make sure that the water is salty, okay? Because otherwise the pasta is going to be absolutely tasteless. So, salt goes in there, pasta goes straight in. I'm going to take this pasta out when it's super al dente. So when it's about 8.5 to 9 minutes, I'm going to take it out. Now, peppercorn. Just put a half handful of peppercorn will do. So what you do, you just crush them down. You can buy them already crushed. Absolutely fine. Okay, happy with it. The first thing that we're going to do now, we're going to toast the peppercorn. So then all the flavor comes out. Do that for about 20-30 seconds, and then straight away add some water from the pasta. Like that. And let's talk about the cheese. I'm using pecorino romano. Grate it, take out some of the water, and put some of the water on top of the cheese, like this. So you create like a cheese paste. Now the pasta, we want to make sure that it's super al dente. So the only way to do it, don't you even think about it to throw on the wall or anything like that. You're gonna have to taste it. Perfect. Now, pasta goes into the sauce. Add a little bit of the cooking water into the pasta like this. And keep stirring. Okay, happy with this? Now, at this point, what you want to do, the cheese sauce that we prepared, switch off the heat. Now is the time to add the cheese. And now what you have to do is start to mix the cheese and the pasta together. This is the sound that you want to hear. Bellissima. Then, very simply, straight into the plate. Gonna get some of the sauce on top. And there you have it. Pici pasta, cacio e pepe. Simple as that.